My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
Still a question in regards to my A2P authorization, whatever, on my account. I
Okay.
resubmitted my customer's account and it's still pending, so I guess we can wait on that. But it's I'll share my screen and
Yeah, let's check it out.
as you can see, it's still rejecting me on the brand. Um, and if I go, for example, if I go to the Georgia Corporation Division here and I type in the name that I'm using, you'll see that it'll come up. And there it is. That's what I'm, putting in the registration form.
Okay. And then you're 100% certain the EIN number that you're plugging in matches that business?
Yeah, I mean that's the one that I got in my paperwork. But it's the original one that I got in my paperwork. Because like when I first registered it, I had a different name. But then when it came up to renew the following year, I renamed the business to this year, and so I'm using that IAN. That's as far as I know, that's the only one that I have.
Okay. Yeah, the EIN should follow you. Do you have a form? There's a form called a 575C form,
Mm-hmm.
and it shows your LLC name, your EI. It's the form the IRS issues you whenever you get your LLC and you get your EIN number. It has your EIN number at the top right, and then it has your business name kind of in the middle at the top. Do you have that form by chance?
Yeah, somewhere. It's probably taking me a little while to find it. Too long for the call here, but
Oh, it's fine. So what I'm saying is you can submit like if you keep getting rejected and like you look at that form and your Kaizen Business Solutions LLC's on there, the EIN number, and that's exactly what you've put in on the L or on the A2P stuff. Send it into high level. So start a chat support with high level, send it into them and say, hey, I'm getting my brand rejected, but all my info is correct. A2P
okay.
uses an automated system, and so their automated system sometimes might be not catching, maybe with whenever you changed your business name, it still has the old business name attached to your EIN or something like that. And so if you send them that 575C form showing that it matches and that's the legal IRS document, they can push them through manually and then get your brand approved that way. I've had a couple cases that where we have to do that. Like if one of your clients is a brand new LLC and he just got his LLC and EIN number, he
Hmm.
won't show up or they won't show up until like 30 days to 45 days out in the IRS system. And so you have to push those kind of people through manually sometimes. I'm thinking it's just maybe an error whenever you switched your business name. Maybe the IRS still has like either the old name attached to your EIN number or something like that. So you can push that. You can find that form though and send it into support, and they'll push it through manually to A2P and like do a manual underwrite on it, and then they'll get you approved that way.
Okay, and you said the form was 575C?
Yeah, it's called 575C.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll find that and send that in.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.